Zeus ice cream makes about $2,000. Dr. T ASMR makes about $5,000 monthly. Russian ASMR eating makes about $6,000 without showing his face. In this video, I'll show you how to make money on YouTube without showing your face in 2021 with ASMR niche. Later, we are going to create a brand new professional ASMR channel from scratch and optimize it for the best chances to grow. And the exciting news is that you can win this channel completely free. I will be giving away this ASMR channel to one of you. So stick until the end to know how you can win this channel, or at least to learn how to create a channel just like this from scratch. If you haven't heard of ASMR, you have been out in space for a long time. So what is ASMR? Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, aka ASMR, is tingling sensation that typically begins in the scalp and moves down the back of the neck and upper spine. The stimuli that triggers ASMR vary from person to person, but some of the most common ones are said to include whispering, white noises, lip smacking, tapping on hard surfaces, brushing sounds, and even the sound of somebody eating. My worst nightmare. What you will need to make ASMR movies are microphone, and you can start with $120 microphone like Blue Yeti and then upgrade to a binaural mic like 3D-IO, which can cost between $600 used and $2,000 new. There are a ton of info online on how to make an ASMR videos, and I'll link one of the videos that I found interesting in the description below this video. But basically, you will need the mic, maybe headphones, and a bunch of foods or surfaces. The most important thing is to be in a quiet place and to research the topic of the video you're making, and also to be creative. By the way, a good topic for your videos you will find watching big channels in the niche. Subscribing to ASMR Ready channel will help you too. Link in the description below. So as you understand, the most important thing here is the audio, and we have to make sure it is clear and professional. Although I personally know people who make ASMR videos with their mobile devices, but I think when you approach a business, you have to invest, and here the investment is clearly going to the sound. So buy a mic and create a movie. So now, after you know what ASMR is, let's create our channel. So I already created Google account and Gmail account for our new channel. If you'll be lucky enough and you get this channel, I will give you all the details and the email. You will get the password and everything. But if you want to build your channel from scratch, just make sure you have Google account and Gmail account. I'm signing in with my Gmail account. And after you sign in, go to youtube.com and let's create our channel. So click on the icon on the side here and click on create a channel and click on get started. Now you have two choices: use your name or use custom name. I always like to do brand account. Now we have to create our channel name, and our channel name is gonna be ASMR Plus. Check this box. I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history, and click on create. So nice work, your channel ASMR Plus has been created. And now the first thing we have to do is upload a profile picture. So click on the picture, the icon, and I already created a nice icon for us. If you want to know how to create all these amazing designs that I made with Canva, I have many videos on this channel. I will link them down below in the description of this video so you can check them out. So I click on our icon that I created, go down, and now we can fill channel description. And of course, I did my homework and created our description. So I'll just copy and paste it. And you can write something like this or something different, something about your channel. Hello there YouTube, welcome to ASMR Plus channel. On this channel we are creating some nice triggers like whispering, tapping on things, crinky sounds. Many studies already suggest that it can be a powerful method to help people reduce depression, anxiety or insomnia. So sit, relax and let us provide you with high quality ASMR video content to help you sleep and relax. let's go down and add a link to your site. So here, if you have a website, you can edit the link here. If you have social media and stuff like that, you can do this. But what I like to do is to put here our URL to subscribe, and I'll do it a little bit later. Let's scroll down and click on save and continue. So here is the dashboard of our channel, and for some reason the picture still didn't change. Here is our picture. So let's start from the beginning, and I'll try to explain you everything I can fast so this video won't be too long. Here we see videos we will upload later. Then here you see all the analytics, and here on the left you see dashboard. You can go to content, playlist, analytics, and everything here, subtitles. You will learn about it later. Right now what we have to do is go to customization on the left side and start customizing our channel. So we still don't have any videos on this channel, so we can't really take care of this. But later you will add your videos here, and you see channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed and feature video for returning subscribers. So you can make it some kind of video that will autoplay when somebody comes to your channel. Now let's go to branding. Here our profile picture, and now here is banner image, the image that will be on our channel. Click on upload, and of course I made a picture for us. Let's click on it, open, and you can resize it and move it so it will fit your channel. We still can see ASMR Plus, but we cannot see this little thing I made here for people to subscribe for your channel. So let me resize it quick. So it's pretty good for me, and you always can change it later. Watch my videos on how to make channel banner or channel art and just make your own. It's actually pretty simple, and it's free with Canva. Click on done and click on publish. Go a little bit down. You can upload the watermark here, but I strongly suggest to just make a subscribe button here, so the viewer all the way through your video can click here and subscribe to you. So click on upload. I made it on Canva. Click on done. Then when you finish, click on publish. So this icon, you will see the entire video, the end of the video, or you can custom start time. I like to put it on the entire video or custom start time, and the custom start time you can do like 5 seconds after the video started. Okay, so don't forget to publish the changes, and let's go back to channel and see how it looks now. So this is your name, this is your channel, this is how you go to customize your channel. We're just going back to where we were before and go to basic info. And you remember our description, here it is. You always can edit, change it. Then we have our channel URL. So copy it, or copy here and paste it somewhere. And then you add this little piece of code to your channel URL. So this is going to be your custom subscription link. You will find this code in the description of my video. So just add this code to your YouTube channel URL, and then people will see a little pop-up when they go to your link. So let's add link, and let's add title, subscribe, and here is our link. So let's click on publish. And now I just want to show you what people will see when they click on this subscription URL link. Let's go to incognito window and paste this URL link with our piece of code. And people who will click on that, they will see this little pop-up asking them if they want to subscribe to your channel. This is great call to action, and people will subscribe so much more when they see this little pop-up. Okay, so we finished with our basic info and branding and layout, and now we have other things to do. Go to settings on your left side. Just choose your currency. Then go down to channel, and here is basic info. This is our name. You can change your name here. Here you select the country of residence, which I don't know which country you are. So right now I will just select USA. This is very important. It's your tags. It's the tags that describes your channel and let YouTube know what your channel is all about. So of course I did my homework and I found the best keywords for your channel, and later on you can go back and find more keywords with the power of TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Both are free tools to use. Both will be linked in the description of this video, and I'm using both. I'm using also third tool called Morning Fame. It is a paid tool, but you can get a 30 days trial if you sign in through my link. My best recommended tool, by the way, is Morning Fame. So just let me copy all these keywords and paste them in this section of keywords. And this is very important. Don't leave it empty. Think about what your channel is all about and put here some keywords, and you can research them with those tools I mentioned before: TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Morning Fame. Okay, when we finish that, go to advanced settings, and if your channel is not made for kids, check this no box. So every time you upload video, it will be checked no made for kids. Go to feature eligibility, and you can see the default features enabled, but you have to enable those features, and we can do it only with phone verification, so I won't do it right now. If you will get this channel, go to this section, settings, channel, feature eligibility, click on Elig, and you have to click on this blue button, verify phone number, and then you will get a code to your phone, to your mobile phone. You just have to add this code and your country, and you will be eligible to make videos more than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and other things. And it's very important because custom thumbnails is a crucial thing for your video success. So definitely do that. Verify your phone. Let's go down to upload default, and it just uploads the default that every time you upload video, they're gonna show up automatically. In the description, I always put subscription link, subscribe, and the link that we had before with our special code, I'm going to make it shorter. So hover over create and go to link, and here you paste your long special link, and Bitly will give us this nice cute link, and you can also customize the back half of this link. So here you can write something like ASMR channel subscribe or something like that. Click on save. Link has been edited, and here you have your new short link. So click on copy, and now go back to your channel and paste this link here, and every time you will upload a video, in your description you'll have this subscribe thing. Also, I like to do automatically my playlist recommended, if I had a Facebook group or website links, and I always write something like thank you for watching, and if you like this video you will probably like this playlist or stuff like that. I'll just leave it like that because you're gonna feel it if you have this channel. And subscribe, this is your subscribe, so you don't have to change that. I like to upload my videos as a private, then I optimize them and I schedule them, and they remain private until they will be published. And tags, I never like to put tags here by default because every video have their own tags, which I carefully research and I make sure they well optimized for this specific video. So if you go into advanced settings, you will see there's nothing actually touch here. Go down to permissions, also nothing to touch here, and then click on save. So let's view our channel. So this is your channel. You have no subscribers yet, and here you will see your videos. It's well optimized, it's ready. just start making ASMR videos and upload them to this channel. So whoever wants this channel, comment below, and I hope you will get lucky and get it for free. And also, if not, just make your channel from scratch. It's very simple, it's very easy. And look here, click for fresh video every week, and here you have your subscribe little button. If you want to change it to your logo or to your icon or to something else, you remember you're just going to customize channel, and on the branding tab, go down, scroll down, and you will see it here. Do you like this channel we created? I hope so, because you may win it. As I promised in the beginning of the video, I'm giving this channel away. To win, you just have to leave a comment with hashtag ASMR channel in the comments below this video. The comment that will remain last for 48 hours is the winner. Let me explain again. Leave a comment below this video, write hashtag ASMR channel. If your comment will stay last and nobody will comment underneath you or after you for 48 hours, then you will win the channel we just made. So I'm waiting to give this channel to you, and until then, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye for now.